Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing video of the Omnicharge OMNIMOBILE 12800 Pro power bank. It's finally here. I ordered it back in February and it's arrived in late June. It's been more than 3 months. This is a pretty special power bank right here because it does high power USB-C charging and wireless charging. Let's see what we have here in the back of the box. So we have USB 8 port, which is located right here. It does 5 volt 2.4 amp charging, or you can, if you have a compatible device, it can do quick charge 3.0 18 watt charging. Next you have the USB-C port over here. It does up to 60 watt charging, output charging, so it'll be useful for laptops, and it can also take 30 watt input to charge itself. Last of all, you have the 10 watt wireless charging pad, which is located on top. I'm pretty excited for this feature because it's a really convenient function. No need to plug in cables, and it'll change the way you use most charging solutions. You have various technical charging specs for each type of devices, and let's see what's inside the box. Just gonna pause this video so that I can unbox it because I'm holding this camera with 2 hands. Okay, now that we got the wrapper off, let's see what's inside. So we got templates, more documents like warranty and user manuals, and you got this thing right here, the power bank. Okay, it's pretty hard to do this with one hand because I don't own a tripod. Let's get this thing out. You have one USB-C to C cable, and you have a USB-C to A cable. Okay, so let's get this packaging out of the way. Okay, now that we got the packaging out of the way, let's see how this works. So let's power this on. Okay, so there's the power button, and there's 4 LED indicators. And there's only one light that's on right now, so it means it's on a really low charge, probably about 25%, because there's 4 lights, and I will assume each light represents 25% increments. Let's see, does it charge? Okay, we have a few devices to test out here. We got a power bank, my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 smartphone, a Gear Sport smartwatch, and a Galaxy Tab S tablet. It's the first generation 8.4. It's a really old device at this point. Let's see how this works. Let's test out wireless charging. Doing this with one hand is pretty hard. Okay, we got a charge going on, and it's fast charging. Let's see if charging a smartwatch will work too. The Gear Sport does support Qi wireless standard, but not sure if this will work 100%. I guess it doesn't. Okay. Let's try other devices like a tablet. Okay, so it's pretty low charge for this tablet too. I'm gonna have to use a USB micro B cable right now because this is a USB micro B device. Okay, so that's plugged in. And we'll just charge it via the typical USB-C port. And it's charging. And let's see how this works with a power bank, because this other power bank right here, it has a power meter that tells how much is being input and output. So it's a good test to see how much the Omnicharge is outputting. So it can do quick charge at 8.9 volt, 1.5 amps, so it's close to the fast charging spec of 9 volt, 1.5 amps, 9 volt, 1.5 amps. So it's pretty accurate. Let's see if we can do 2 devices at once. Okay, this focus is back. And yeah, we have 2 devices working. Fortunately, this device only have 1 USB-A output, so I can't charge 3 devices. Unless I have more USB-C devices to test out. So there we have it. We have a quick unboxing and a short test of what works. Okay, so this one, the pad is pretty sensitive. You gotta get the alignment right. It's pretty amazing that it can still can charge through a really thick case like this Spigen Tough Armor. Good, sorry guys, the video cut out earlier, and yeah, I was trying to say that yeah, this power bank is pretty amazing in charging through thick cases like the Spigen Tough Armor, because it is a really thick case compared to other Spigen cases like the Neo Hybrid. Okay, that's a quick follow-up for the Omnicharge OMNIMOBILE Mobile 12800 Pro. Thanks for watching.